Alright, so in the yard today we're looking at a John Deere SST16. The SST stands for spin steer. That means it's a little bit like a zero turn radius. It's got these front wheels that act like casters, and so the steering is actually done by the rear transaxle or transmission or whatever you want to call it. Spin steer technology. It is hydrostatic, so we've got the brake pedal and the parking brake up front here. The pedals forward and reverse. This has a mulching deck, a mulching only deck, the Freedom 42. It's got some interesting mower blades underneath there. Under the hood is a 16 horsepower Briggs & Stratton V-twin engine. This one had been sitting for a couple of years. I cleaned out a mouse nest out of the top, and I gave it a quick tune-up and a clean-up. Got a fresh battery in it. Let's turn the key. It's already warm, so I don't have to choke it. So now this particular one, if you want to raise and lower the deck, I'm going to have to get on here to demonstrate. What you need to do, that pedal right there is for raising and lowering the deck. So let me get on board. And then down here, you've got your height, where you decide what height you want the deck to be at. And what you could do is you step on the pedal. And see, this lever here locks it up into the upright position. To unlock it, as you're pushing the pedal, you push that down, and then you'll see when I take my foot off the lever, so it goes up and down like so. If you want to adjust the height, all the way down. And so that's how you adjust the height on this thing. Want to go back to transport mode, push your pedal down, and you raise this up and release the pedal, and now we're locked in the upright position. So let's put this back where it was. That'll do. Okay, one more thing, I'll show you the model number of this thing. I think it's under the hood here. Nope, it's on the other side. Alright, here we go. That's the model number of this tractor. So, if I'm reading that date right, maybe in 2009. Can't remember offhand if that's how you read the John Deere identification numbers. But again, spin steer technology, I'm not a big fan. If you have any kind of hills in your yard, there's definitely a learning curve. And but there it is, the John Deere SST16. Thanks for watching.